Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. You guessed right, today is Marvel's Iron Man time. We just had the 5th edition came out, so let's dig in and see what we're building today. Okay, so first things first, let's unbox this edition. As we can see, the editions are becoming smaller and smaller and less complicated to build. As you can see, we have only 5 parts and 2 screws in this one. So this shouldn't be complicated at all. And as shown here, this should be the finished product. This is most probably, from what I'm seeing, this is the armpit of the armor, or it's about this is the armpit of the right hand. Not sure if why they're doing this and why they're putting so small parts in a single edition, but they have to sell 100 editions, so yeah, that makes sense. Let's move the magazine aside and let's just open the nylon packaging. I'm going to use the help of the screwdriver so I can tear this packaging up. We have some stickers, which we'll see in a second what do we need them for. And there is a card in here. Let's try to rip the packaging and see what this card contains. Well, this is nothing. I don't know what this is. Let's see what it says on the back. Nothing. Okay. Throw that aside. We don't need it. Let's see the instructions, see what they say. I don't think we need them for this one, but let's just be cautious. So this is why you need the stickers. You actually glue them inside, and this. Okay. First things first is we need this part. We have to put a sticker. And this is just paper tape. I mean, nothing else. My cat is meowing in the background. So, yeah. So we need another one on the other side. And you can't really mess this up. I mean, yeah. We need to put addition on these 2 washers, I think. Yeah, those are washers. And it's explicitly said you need to glue them on the flat side. So let's do that. I really don't like how I did this one. Let me redo it. much better. Okay. Okay, one is done. There we have all parts. This is here. And this should be here. As you can see, most probably those are some kind of friction plates that allow this to have some movement and not to wiggle around freely, just to have some tension. It makes sense. Now we need a bolt which goes on which, let me see on which side. It should be this. It goes on this side, yeah. And this should be it. Voila. That's a lot. We need to unscrew a bit. There. Yep, now this moves freely. And this, as far as I can see from the instructions, this is a part that's going to be under the shoulder plate. It's this one right here. This part is not going to be even visible. So in this edition, we got an inside part of the actual model, which we're not even going to see. But this is going to be a crucial part so the arm can move freely. Well, this is it. Here we have all of the other parts we have assembled so far. And we have 95 editions to go. Thank you for watching, guys, and see ya in the next one.